Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will recreate this design in CSS-Battle as you can see on your screen, and I will try to beat it. Okay, I will try to match 100%. So let's begin the challenge. So first of all, as I can see here, I have to make two big circles, and on the bottom here I think it is a rectangle with round edges. Okay, so I think this will work. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, instead of this div, I will write body, remove this height and width. Okay, and copy this color here and paste it here. So our background is now ready, and now I will give this a class of rect for rectangle. Okay, now I will target it here. Let's say height of 20 pixel and width of, let's say, 100 pixel. Then I will copy this here. Okay, then I will copy this color here and paste it here. So as you can see here, we have our rectangle there. Okay, alright, so as you can see here, we have a rectangle here. Okay, so now what we will do, I will copy this and paste it inside another div. Okay, just like that, inside another div, and this is because I will give this an ID of cont. Alright, just like that. Okay, alright, and the reason because of this, to place this rectangle in the center. Okay, so how will I do it? Let's see. I will do display grid, then place items center. As you can see here, the rectangle is in the center now. Okay, just like that. Now I can see the width is not correct, so let's say 200 pixel, and yes, I think now it is correct. Let's say this is 50 pixel. Okay, and let's do position relative, then from top let's say 50 pixel, let's say 100 pixel, 150. Okay, 160. I think this is 40. Okay, yep, and I think the width is not correct, the height, sorry. Okay, let's see now, and no, it is not correct. So first of all, let's change the border radius. Okay, border radius, let's say 20 pixel. Is this correct? Yes, I think the border radius is correct, but height is not. I think height is 50 pixel. So height, okay, so height is correct. Let's say 58, 55, 56, 57. No, no. Let's do the radius 30 pixel. Okay, so yes, this is correct, but the width now, the width is not correct. Okay. No, this will not work. Okay, so how long is it? Let's see then. So then why is it is perfect here but not here? Okay, so I think we need three circles and one rectangle. So let's do that. Okay, so now what I will do, I will make, so yes, these I will do three circles and one rectangle. Okay, so I will copy this, paste it here. This will be our small circle. Okay, small circle. Let's target it, small circle, and let's just copy this here. Okay, then width I think will be 50-50, and I think from top, not this, say 130. One 105, 107. All right, and from left, let's say this. Okay, all right, so not 80, let's say 60, 70. You know what, let's do it 100, then reduce it 20, 50. Okay, I think now we got it. Yes, I think now we have done with the base rectangle one. Okay, now we need two circles. So just like that, I will copy this here and here. Okay, big circle 1, circle 2. All right, all right. Okay, just like that. All right. Okay, so let's do this left circle. Okay, so let's say this, the top will not be this one. Okay, let's say height also this, and of course border radius will be 100 pixel, and I think 100 to 100 is correct. Okay, so now let's see it. Okay, so let's do 5 here, 7. Okay, so yes, now we are done. Okay, we are done. And now do the middle circle. All right, so the same 100, then then this, then border radius will be 100. Okay, then this will be minus here. All right, let's say 20. Okay, so first of all, let's do this 140, I guess 130. Are we done? No. Okay, so from left, let's do 30. Okay, let's decrease the height. Okay, we are done. As you can see here, I think it will be 100% or maybe 99. I don't know why. So let's submit it and let's see what will be our score. Okay, so let's submit it, and as you can see here, 100% match. So we have managed to score 100%, guys. So I hope you enjoy this video and you can try this challenge on your own. Okay, it is a free website. You can test your CSS skills on this website. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.